Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the extended RAM on Android phones. So if you have limited RAMs on your Android phones, you can actually extend the RAM itself. So by following the steps, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the feature. First, you can go to the settings on your Android phone and then just click on the search column or search bar at the top. Then just type in RAM. Okay, so there will be this extended RAM. You can go to settings, RAM and storage space and find the RAM settings. Okay, so as you guys can see here, by default these extended RAMs will be activated uh in here, so the RAM can be dynamically extended by up to 8 GB because that's my default storage of RAM, and it will take some storage space to fill in the RAM. So by default it is turned on, but if you want to turn it off, you can just easily do so by clicking on this circles right here. Then click if you want to disable more phone storage space will be available, and this requires restarting the phone, and you can just click on restart now. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.